This is the first burp contest for Party in My Pants Films. Yeah!
Megan is afraid of Ian.
I'm going first.
That was very easy of him. Because you and Ian did where's Marley from?
Go.
Like what state?
Alaska. Go!
She's a Siberian. When she's born again,
Yeah.
they found her weird. Marley, Marley. Marley, here you go.
They're just so gross.
Mom, you guys so gross.
Oh, now it smells. My mom.
What? Alright, you can go again. I gotta wait for this burp to get out of my stomach. Andrew.
We're silent but deadly.
Chase my last burp.
I still have mine coming.
It's my last burp. It was silent but deadly. I can gleek. Whoops. I can gleek. Watch. Oh, there's your burp. Here's one more burp.
Shit.
You gotta poo. Just do one more burp.
Whoa, that sounded weird.
Okay.
We keep in the back of my throat.
Bye.